Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Amzing Seller Tools, dedicated to your success on Amazon. Are you wondering what the best method is to shine on the world's largest online selling platform? Today, we're going to unveil several selling techniques on Amazon that you may not have explored yet. Each approach has its pros and cons, and we'll go into detail to help you find the one that best suits you. And most importantly, stick around until the end to discover a truly unique method, a tip that could very well be the launching pad for your business and your success on Amazon. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss out on our valuable training sessions. See you in just a moment, right after this. Welcome to this new adventure where we'll explore together the best ways to sell on Amazon. If you're a beginner who wants to succeed on this platform, you've come to the right place. Stay with us until the end of this video, because there is a special revelation waiting for you. Let's get started.
Let me tell you about a proven way to get started on Amazon, wholesale. What does it involve? It's very simple. You buy wholesale products directly from manufacturers or distributors and resell them individually on Amazon. To give you an idea, imagine buying a batch of 1,000 pens from a popular brand at a discounted price and reselling them individually on Amazon. Is it easy to set up? That depends. If you have the capital to get started, it's a good place to start. But be careful, it requires good market research and the ability to negotiate with suppliers. What are the benefits? You have the opportunity to work with established and popular products, which can make selling easier. What's more, by buying in bulk, you can reduce your unit costs and increase your profit margins. By some estimates, profit margins can range from 10% to 30%. However, there's always a but. Getting started requires a substantial initial investment, and there's the risk of unsold inventory. It is estimated that the initial budget for this type of business is often in excess of $10,000. Financially, the earning potential is considerable, but directly related to the initial investment. The risks are relatively high, especially if you do not sell your shares. However, careful inventory management can minimize this risk. In conclusion, wholesaling is a proven method, but it requires a good market analysis and a substantial initial capital. It is therefore best suited to those who already have some experience in this area.
Welcome to the fascinating world of artisan creation. Let me tell you about selling handmade products on Amazon. So, what is it all about? Well, it's quite simple. It involves selling items that you have created with your own hands on the Amazon platform. This can range from a variety of products, from jewelry to clothing, to decorative items for the home. To give you a precise idea, imagine that you are designing jewelry from semi-precious stones. Not only could you reach customers who appreciate craftsmanship, but also, some handmade items can sell for up to $100 or $200 each, or even more, if you use high-quality materials. But is it easy to get started? Starting can be quite straightforward, especially if you already have a passion for craftsmanship. However, it takes time to create quality items, and the initial investment for materials can vary, often starting around $500. The benefits are huge. You have total creative freedom, and customers are often willing to pay more for unique and personalized items. In fact, according to a study, 30% of buyers would be willing to pay more for handmade. However, this method can be quite time-consuming, and you need to be prepared to manage all the stages from creation to after-sale service. Financially speaking, the initial investment can be moderate, but the returns can be very significant, with profit margins that can reach up to 70%. As for the risk, it is relatively low if you start with items that you can easily and affordably produce. To summarize, selling handmade products is a promising avenue, especially if you are creative and ready to invest time in your business. So, are you ready to turn your passion into a business?
Let's dive right in with a method that has proven its worth: retail arbitrage. But what does it exactly mean? Essentially, it is about buying products at low prices in stores or on other websites, and then reselling them on Amazon at a higher price. To give you a concrete idea, imagine finding a great promotion on hair dryers at a store near you. You buy several units at a discounted price, and then resell them on Amazon with an attractive profit margin. But is this method easy to master? To be honest, it requires a certain knack for finding good deals, and a good understanding of the Amazon platform. That being said, it is entirely accessible even for a beginner with a basic understanding of commerce. The benefits are numerous. You can start with a relatively low budget, and it's an excellent way to understand the workings of Amazon while generating profits quickly. Moreover, a study showed that 56% of sellers using this method saw their revenue increase over the span of a year. But there are also downsides. The competition is tough, and you always have to be on the lookout for opportunities, which demands time and energy. Moreover, there is always a risk that the purchased products do not sell. From a financial standpoint, you need to budget for the initial stock purchase, but the margins can be very significant, sometimes up to 50%. The risk is moderate, as everything depends on your ability to find products that sell well on Amazon. In conclusion, retail arbitrage is an excellent entry point into the world of selling on Amazon, especially if you have a business sense, and you are ready to dedicate time to finding the best opportunities. So, are you ready to embark on the adventure of retail arbitrage on Amazon?
Let's examine a method that will allow you to create your own brand, private label. So what exactly is private label? In short, you buy generic products, brand them with your own label, and then sell them on Amazon. Take a concrete example. Suppose you want to sell scented candles. You could find a manufacturer who produces quality candles, and then work with them to create packaging personalized to reflect your own brand. Imagine even being able to choose the scents and the names of each candle. In terms of ease, getting started is relatively straightforward if you have a clear idea of what you want. However, it takes time to build a recognized brand, and you will need to invest heavily in quality and marketing. This method is suitable for both beginners and more experienced sellers. The main advantage is creating a brand that belongs to you, allowing you to build customer loyalty and have full control over your product. An interesting statistic is that 53% of sales on Amazon are made by private label sellers, proving the success of this strategy. Now let's turn to the issue of the initial budget. Naturally, this strongly depends on the product you choose to launch. To give you an idea, a budget of a few $1,000s might be sufficient. However, if you're clever and choose products that are less expensive to produce, and order smaller volumes at the beginning, you can significantly reduce this initial amount. But be careful, a too small budget can mean compromising on quality or marketing strategy. Financially, although the initial investment is high, the returns can be significant, with profit margins potentially reaching 50 to 60%. In terms of risk, it ranges from moderate to high, mainly due to the substantial initial outlay required by this method.
Let's move on to another interesting method, particularly accessible to beginners: Amazon affiliation. What exactly is it? Essentially, you recommend products sold on the Amazon platform through various media, and you earn a commission each time a sale is completed through your affiliate link. To give you a concrete example, if you have a blog where you share your literary favorites, you could easily insert affiliate links to the pages of the books you recommend on Amazon. This also works if you have a YouTube channel or an Instagram page dedicated to a specific passion. The commissions you can earn generally range between 1% and 10% of the sale price, but be aware that some product categories can offer up to a 12% commission. Another advantage, you receive a commission on the entire customer's cart, not just on the product you promoted. However, affiliate marketing takes time to build a loyal audience. To give you an idea, most affiliates earn less than $100 per month when starting out. But with perseverance, some manage to earn several $1,000s per month. In terms of budget, the advantage is clear. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to get started. And the risks? Virtually none, except for the time you invest. To give you an overview, Amazon affiliate marketing is an accessible method with low financial investment and limited risk. It's a great opportunity, especially if you are starting out in the Amazon adventure. So, are you ready to take the plunge and explore the world of Amazon affiliation?
Let's enter the world of dropshipping, a method that has become increasingly popular in recent years. But, what is dropshipping? Basically, you sell products without having them in stock. When a sale is made, you place an order with your supplier, who ships the product directly to the customer. Let's say you sell decorative lamps. You don't need to stock these lamps at home. Once an order is placed on Amazon, you buy the lamp from your supplier, who ships it directly to your customer. The truth is, while dropshipping is accessible to beginners, it requires excellent organization and a good knowledge of the market to find reliable suppliers. Moreover, you need to be prepared for fierce competition and lower profit margins, often between 10% and 20%. According to several studies, over 30% of online retailers use dropshipping as a business model. It's a proven method but requires constant vigilance to ensure customer satisfaction. However, it has the advantage of requiring a relatively low initial investment since there's no need to buy initial inventory. It's also a good way to test a product on the market without taking too much risk. But beware, the risk is not negligible, as you are completely dependent on your suppliers for product quality and timely delivery. So, are you ready to embark on the adventure of dropshipping on Amazon and navigate the sometimes murky waters of this method?
Let's dive into the world of Amazon Renewed, a program created to offer certified, refurbished products on the Amazon platform. But what exactly is this program? In a nutshell, it's about selling refurbished products, which are products that have been restored to like-new condition, and then put up for sale on Amazon. Let's say you decide to sell refurbished smartphones. You don't have to worry about refurbishing the products. Amazon does that for you, ensuring that each product meets high-quality standards. This is a method that beginners can consider, although it does require some familiarity with refurbished products and a good understanding of customer expectations for quality and performance. However, it's quite accessible, especially if you have an affinity for technology and electronics products. The main advantage is that you can offer quality products at a reduced price, positioning yourself as an attractive alternative to new products. In financial terms, the initial investment can vary but is generally lower than, for example, a private label. Profit margins can be very attractive, often in the 20 to 40% range. However, there is a significant risk, mainly related to reliance on Amazon for product repackaging and potential returns from dissatisfied customers. So, are you ready to explore this relatively new and rapidly growing avenue at Amazon? The world of Amazon Renewed opens its doors to you and offers you the opportunity to stand out in a booming market.
Let's explore print on demand, a method that fits perfectly in the digital era. But, what exactly is it? It is simply creating designs that will only be printed on various products once they are sold, thereby avoiding any stock management. Imagine, for instance, that you have a knack for humorous drawings. You could print them on t-shirts, mugs, and many other items. Did you know, the global market for print on demand is expected to surpass $22 billion by 2022? For beginners, it's an excellent way to start, without a hefty budget or specialized technical skills. All it takes is a good idea and a sense of design to get started. As for the profits, they can vary considerably. Some creators, after properly optimizing their listings and designs, achieve net margins of 30 to 50%. Regarding the advantages, there is, of course, the creative freedom, coupled with the fact that you don't have to worry about stock management. However, it is a competitive market, and it is crucial to have a unique and appealing style. When it comes to the risks, they are relatively moderate. The main concern could be copyright issues, hence, ensure that your designs are original creations. So, are you ready to dive into the artistic world of print on demand on Amazon? With talent and perseverance, this method could well be your springboard to success.
We have arrived at that special stage in our video, the one you have all been eagerly waiting for, the unveiling of the ultimate method, the one that can revolutionize your Amazon selling experience, especially if you are a beginner. After journeying together through the intricacies of various Amazon selling methods, from the most traditional to the most modern, it's time to unveil my favorite strategy. It is not only accessible for beginners but also harbors a phenomenal growth potential. I am talking about the sale of digital products. What are we referring to? Well, we mean dematerialized products, such as eBooks, online courses, podcasts, and many other similar products. The great advantage of this approach? You create your product once, and then you can sell it infinitely, without having to worry about inventory management. Imagine you are a passionate photographer. Why not design an online training course to introduce beginners to the secrets of photography? Once your course is ready, it can be sold to thousands of people around the world, providing you with a sustainable source of passive income. The benefits are clear. No inventory management issues. No shipping fees. Virtually unlimited long-term revenue potential. The freedom to work from anywhere in the world. A great way to unleash your creativity. But be warned, there are also downsides. Creating a quality product takes time. The competition is fierce, especially in highly sought-after fields. A constant need for training to stay up to date. From a financial perspective, it's quite tempting. Minimal initial investment, especially for eBooks and podcasts. The profit margins can be very comfortable. And the risks? Primarily, the time you will dedicate to creation, with no guarantee of success. The world of digital products awaits you. With a bit of perseverance and a dash of creativity, it could be your gateway to success. This marks the end of our journey. I sincerely hope that this video has enlightened you and inspired you to embark on the Amazon adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to follow all our future explorations. See you soon for more training videos to sell on the largest sales platform in the world.